Okay, the installation of the driver is just finished. So now we can change the USB from USB 2 to USB 3 ports for testing of the USB 3 port, which customer claim is not working even under Windows. So with the driver installed properly, so that's the USB 3 port, which was, if we saw it, is blue color indicating that it's USB 3. So we get the it's saying that the driver is ready to use. So it's just detecting the new thing. So we can see the mouse is working, and with the mouse is connected to USB 3, and the keyboard is connected to USB 3 as well. I hit the Windows function key, it pops up, pops down, pops up, pops down, pops up, pops down, pops up, pops down. So it's no problem for the USB 3 as well. So everything is as normal. So I think the customer may have the incompatible device, or they may not install the things properly. So don't know, but this combo is working in normal conditions. No trouble at all. That's what my testing result. Thank you.